You alright?
Yeah.
Come on up, you get.
We should really be careful.
I'm going to put the light on now. Ah, fuck off! Alright, let's come this way then. Andrew, that's the wrong way. This way. Come on. Andrew. Andrew. This way. This way. I'm just... You see the light? You see the light? Follow the light. You see the path? You see the path? Follow the path. That's it. Well done. Watch out for J. Cubalata.
Really bad, isn't it?
That's it. Well done. Watch the tree. There's actual tree. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Oh. How did you not see the tree? Come on, Andrew, you can't sit there. You've got to get up. What did you do? What have you done? What have you done? Let me have a look.
I don't know.
Your legs are so dirty. Andrew. Come on, you got to get up. Come on. Come on. Lean on me. Up you get. Look at your arse, it's so dirty. Come on. Come on. How did you not see the tree?
No. Fucking up. Sorry.
What are you doing?
Shit, man.
Wait, let's have a look. Wait, that's not shit. Oh, it's just a bit of... Come on, you gotta get up. Mind your head. Mind your head on this. Because it's fucking serious. You see it? You see it? Come on, up you get.
It's alright, it's alright.
You're up. Right, you see this?
Fucking hell.
There it is, duck under it. Duck under it, not over it. No, not over it, because that's just a hazard. It's disaster.
I've done it.
I can't believe how drunk you are. Come on, we're all
Your fault, you gave me fucking...
Watch the timber! Watch the timber!
It's alright, sweetheart. It's alright. Oh, my mother's gonna go mad.
You see that? Oh wow, look at the path. You can see it all. Yeah. This way. This is the main thing. We've got to go up there. Come on.
Oh, should we do ghost thing?
What?
Should we do ghost thing? Right, let me...
No, because you're going to hit a tree or something. You're going the wrong way. Oh, Andrew, you fucking idiot.
My butt really hurts. Oh, I'm sorry. Cut, man. It's really bad. Oh, fuck. Oh.